So this topic is about the solar energy. So we can define the solar energy is energy obtained from the sun. It is a natural and renewable source of energy. So the sun provides energy in the form of heat and light. What is solar energy? Basically, solar energy is the energy produced by sunlight. So this energy can be converted into electricity or heat. It is clean and environmentally friendly. So there is the history of the solar energy. Basically, humans have used the solar energy since ancient time. The early peoples used sunlight to dry the food and the clothes. So modern solar energy developed in 20th century. There is how the solar energy work. Basically, solar panels absorb the sunlight. So the sunlight hit the solar cells and the energy is converted into electricity. How the solar panels work? Basically, solar panels are made up of solar cells. So these cells are usually made from silicons and the panels are installed on rooftop or open areas. There is the types of the solar energy. Like the first is the solar thermal energy, the second is the solar photovoltaic energy. So there is the types of energy like the solar thermal and solar photovoltaic energy. So these solar thermal energy use sunlight to produce the heat. It used for heating water and the rooms, the common in solar water heaters. There is some solar photovoltaic energy like it convert the sunlight directly into electricity. It uses the photovoltaic cell and it's used in homes, school and industries. There is the use of the solar energy like it producing the electricity, heating the water, cooking the foods which we call the solar cookers and charging the devices. There is some solar energy in daily life like solar lights, solar calculators, solar streets, solar lights and the solar powered fans. These solar energy in the daily life like the renewable sources, no pollution, free energy from the sun and it reduce the electricity bills. There is some environmental benefits like it reduce the air pollutions, it lower the carbon emission and it protect the natural resources. There is some economic benefits like it save the money in the long term, it having the low maintenance cost and it create the jobs opportunities. There is some disadvantage of the solar energy like its high initial cost, it depends on the sunlight and it's less effective on cloudy days. There is some solar energy in Pakistan, like Pakistan has the strong solar sunlight, so the solar energy is growing rapidly and it used in homes, schools, and industries. There is some importance of the solar energy. So it helped to save the energy crisis, it reduced the dependency on the fossil fuels, and it supports the sustainable development. So there is some future of the solar energy like solar energy demand is increasing, the technology is becoming cheaper and the future energy source of the rewards. So as a conclusion, solar energy is clean and renewable, it is safe for the environment, so the best alternate to traditional energy sources.